Oh. Hello, I'm gonna show you my chickens, my cows, and yeah, and this mon. And now, so here we have the rare Bazonga chicken that shakes their booty at you when they won. And if you just follow it, it will take you to the rainbow. And what's at the end of the rainbow?
You ask.
Oh, hi. A baby cow.
We like to follow the
Bill that's made of.
He's getting rushing. He's dying.
He is. Oh, he's licked the ball. Next up, we got the rare Bazonga cows.
They're called mama cows.
Oh, look at that one chicken its booty.
AKA mama.
Anyway, so now I take you further behind the rainbow of love. And as you can see, we got. I put myself in glass. Look at them. Look at this. I think it's so beautiful. It's something. It fell off my iPad. And if you just keep walking the bad road, the cracked road,
We have the very bad.
and now we have the rare cornfield of not very grown corn. And now we also got this thing that cuts the corn. And we eat the corn. And then over here we got more corn and tractors.
Yeah, so please.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm not ending it yet. Because the video needs to be at least 3 minutes long. I mean, that's my goal, guys. Now we got the rare Bazonga shed.
Well, while we're waiting, let's hit a like goal of 2 likes. Let's see if we can hit it.
You're just saying that because I literally only have 2 subscribers. So you're hoping those 2 subscribers are going to like me.
Hit that subscribe button if you're new.
Don't tell them what. Ow! Don't tell them what to do. They don't like that. Okay, I'm going to give you a nice view of the tractor. There we go.
I'm in my mom's car.
I'm in my mom's tractor. It's actually my dad's tractor. Boom, boom.
Get out of my tractor.
Get out of my tractor, Ma. Mama. Now move out of my way.
Stranger.
So, like sister, I need to be serious stuff. So yeah, this is my house. This is where I live. This is where I make all my videos and whatever. My how to open a Coca-Cola video I made over there on those silos, just like on the bottom. We got the fuel thing, so we fuel up, say, our tractors. Yeah, it's more things like chainsaws, the lawnmower, of course, to cut grass. Another one of these things to cut the corn. Really not sure what the heck this thing is. That's all fertilizer, I believe. Another tractor. And this shed thing, this is so when it's winter, we keep this all fired up so it keeps us nice and warm. This boat isn't ours, it's my grandpa's, but so I don't know it's here. And yeah.
So guys, hit that subscribe button.
And like the video if you enjoyed.
Our goal can be 2 likes. Yeah! So, peace homies.
Peace, homies. See you in the next vid. Bye.